Hi, Christine here. So today's video, I'm making a mixed green salad with 4 different lettuces. We're going to start with spinach, kale, romaine lettuce, butter lettuce, tomato ensemble. We're going to also add strawberries to this, along with nectarine and cucumber. Chop up the spinach into tiny pieces, and this goes well with the next ingredient, which is kale. I like to take off the extra hard stems first of that kale and then chop it up into fine pieces. So the trick to kale in making it tasty in your salad is to chop it up into fine pieces. This makes it easier for the dressing to stick to it. I have a trick here, and I learned this from a friend. Crunch it all together to kind of break down that kale, and then this makes a great salad. Next, we're going to add the romaine lettuce. I like to take off the ends, which are kind of hard and chunky for salad, and then I cut everything into bite sizes. So using fresh butter lettuce, I take off the root, and then I go in and I rinse it, of course, and then I take out the core of this butter lettuce. Just in case you didn't know, butter lettuce is so soft and tender with salads. It's amazing the way it tastes. They call it butter lettuce because it melts in your mouth, supposedly. So chop it up into fine pieces and then mix it in your salad. Now we're going to add nectarine, and I just slice it in different ways just to get it, chopped down to pieces. Nectarine really does add a little bit of a tangy, sweet taste to this. It's a seasonal fruit, so you might have to replace this if you're making a salad for winter. Replace it with a different fruit. Strawberries. These are my favorite to add to salads, so this is all year round. Cucumbers are very refreshing, so I add half a cucumber and I don't peel it. I just chop it up into fine pieces and then add it to the salad. Tomatoes. These are my favorites because they're so colorful and flavorful. There's red, green, orange, yellow tomatoes, and I get them from Costco. I just cut them up in halves or quarters, and they're so reasonably priced. So now you're going to add another head of romaine lettuce and then chop it up. And then as for mixing it, you can go ahead and mix it with your hands or your fingers. You can use a salad spinner. I don't own one, so I just do it this way, and it's easy. And here's the salad complete. I put it in a white bowl because it just looks really clean and crisp. And then I add a variety of salad dressings so that way my guests have a choice in that. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Christine. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to my channel while you're here too. Take care and have a great day.